They don't care anything about this company, and they're constantly in dispute and division. This is not good for what we are trying to do. Would you get fired, or would you be praised? How can you manage God's business if you can't manage your own? Does your culture care about the other employees? When the other employees can't really produce today, do they come in and ask, what can they do to make this ship go smoothly today? What type of culture do you have? That's the question you got to answer, to know whether you are operating and seeking God's kingdom and his righteousness first. What kind of culture do you have? Does your culture present joy and happiness that when everyone is in your culture, they feel at peace? They feel the love.